Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to spawn Baldi from Baldi's Basics, guys. And I have been thinking on this for a while. I'm like, how did Baldi get so smart, guys? And I actually determined that he's so smart because he is bald. And like the sun hits his head just right and it like makes him super smart, guys. So maybe I should shave my head to get smarter. that might help me beat Baldi from Baldi's Basics if I did that, guys. But what you're going to need to spawn this guy is you're going to need 4 blocks of emerald. You want to go ahead and make like a little man, put the arms on, guys, and like make the torso. And now you just want to go ahead and you want to place a jack-o'-lantern on top as the head, and boom, right there's Baldi from Baldi's Basics. And oh my god, he looks dangerous. Just take a look at him, guys. Oh my god, he's coming at us. Boom, take the lava, bro. Take the lava, bro. Oh my god, he jumped away, guys, and he's just like one big fireball. Like, look at him, guys. He is literally like one big fireball, guys. Hopefully this takes him out, though, guys, and he don't end up like coming at us as a fireball, because then he might catch us on fire, and then I might just pass away. So hopefully that does not happen, guys. And oh my god, what's happening to him? Oh my god, guys, he blew up, and it actually, his explosion actually blew me back some, which was crazy. Like, that was absolutely insane. But you know what we're gonna have to do? We're gonna have to blow up a Baldi Basics guy. Like, oh my god, whoa, I was like super close right there to dying. Like, that would have been crazy if I would have fell down there, guys, because I would have been toast. But let me just go ahead and put some more TNT down, guys. Let's just put TNT down everywhere, because we got to have TNT down everywhere for this guy so we can see if he is like immune to TNT. Like, will he actually pass away from this, or will he survive? So let's go ahead, eat an enchanted golden apple so we don't go. And let's go ahead and put a pumpkin on top and light this TNT. Oh my god, he's coming at us. No, you gotta get in the TNT, bro. Get in the TNT, bro. Come on, boom. Oh my god, whoa. That was a massive explosion, but it did not do anything to that guy. And oh my god, where'd he go? Oh my god, I'm running. Whoa, guys, that was scary. That was scary back there, guys. Whoa. Oh my god, I'm shaking right now, guys. I am literally shaking right now. Whoa, I cannot believe that. Did you guys see that guy? Like, how did he even get behind me? You know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spawn 2 more of these Baldis. I'm actually going to see if they can take their evil brother out. And I'm not just talking to McDonald's to get some food. Like, actually take him out, guys. Go ahead. Oh my god, I think they're more evil than he is. Like, they're absolutely trying to wreck me right now. Like, back up, bros. Back up. Oh my god, now it's 2-on-1 instead of just 1-on-1. You know what? I'm going to have to go ahead and catch him on fire. Oh my god, I caught one on fire, guys. That's good. That's good. I caught one on fire. I think I got to hide from these guys, to be real, though. Oh my god, whoa. He might be on fire, guys, but he is still kicking my butt. Like, even on fire, he is still absolutely wrecking me. You know what? I'm going to have to go ahead and take these guys out. Boom, take that. Whoa, that guy just went. Now I'm going to have to take this guy out. Come on, come at me, bro. Oh, my God. Don't come at me while you're on fire, bro. Boom, take that, bro. You know I'm afraid of fire. Wow. I can't even believe he was coming at me like that. And oh, my God, where'd he go? Like, they stay up in the sky for so long, guys. Like, I don't even know how they do that. Like, that is pretty epic, if I do say so myself. But come on. Come on, which one of you bros want some? Which one of you bros want some? Come on. Come on, was it you that wanted some? Oh, my God. He just flew away. He just flew away because he's a little scaredy cat. Come on. Come on. Come at me, Baldi. Come at me, Baldi. Boom, take that. Boom, right to the head. Oh, my God. Boom. Oh, we just exploded him, guys. And I think that might be a good Baldi. He might be a good Baldi over there, guys. So I'm not going to mess around with him. But if you guys did enjoy seeing me spawn these Baldis from Baldi's Basics, guys, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know what you guys want to see me spawn next, because I will do it, guys. I will absolutely do it. Trust me. Like, you just say it down in the comment section below, and I will more than likely do it, guys. So just say the word. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Wow, guys. Wow, that was a long bye. That was a really long bye back there, guys.